The next bit of the song goes, c'est lui pour moi, moi pour lui dans la vie. Il me l'a dit, l'a juré pour la vie. This is quite a simple bit to translate. C'est lui pour moi means it's him for me. Moi pour lui dans la vie. Me for him in life. Then il me l'a dit means he told me it. The le bit means me it. You can put this in any verb expression. For example, il me l'a donné. Il me l'a donné. He gave it to me. Or he gave me it. Elle me l'a acheté. Elle me l'a acheté. She bought it for me. Or she bought me it. Peux-tu me l'expliquer? Peux-tu me l'expliquer? Can you explain it to me? Il va me l'envoyer. Il va me l'envoyer. He's going to send it to me. Or he's going to send me it. Vas-tu me le vendre? Vas-tu me le vendre? Are you going to sell it to me? Or are you going to sell me it? Then she sings, l'a juré pour la vie. L'a juré pour la vie. The verb jurer means to swear in all senses of the word. It can mean to swear as in to curse, or it can mean to swear as in to promise. Je ne le referai jamais. Je le jure. Je ne le referai jamais. Je le jure. I won't ever do it again. I swear it. Pierre a juré qu'il ne boirait plus. Pierre a juré qu'il ne boirait plus. Pierre swore that he wouldn't drink again. Ce n'est pas poli de jurer. Ce n'est pas poli de jurer. It isn't polite to swear. You can put an infinitive after jurer if you use the word de. Jurer de faire means to swear to do. Je jure de dire la vérité, toute la vérité et rien que la vérité. Je jure de dire la vérité, toute la vérité et rien que la vérité. I swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So, il l'a juré pour la vie. Il a juré pour la vie means he swore it for life. So she says, c'est lui pour moi, moi pour lui dans la vie. It's him for me for him in life. Il me l'a dit, l'a juré pour la vie. He told me, swore it for life. And then finally, we've reached the last bit, where Edith sings, et dès que je l'aperçois, alors je sens en moi mon cœur qui bat. Dès que means as soon as. For example, je l'achèterai dès qu'il arrivera. Je l'achèterai dès qu'il arrivera. I'll buy it as soon as he arrives. Je te donnerai le livre dès que je le finirai. Je te donnerai le livre dès que je le finirai. I'll give you the book as soon as I finish it. Je vous servirai dès que vous serez à table. Je vous servirai dès que vous serez à table. I'll serve you as soon as you're at the table. Ils baissent leur volet dès qu'il commence à faire nuit. Ils baissent leur volet dès qu'il commence à faire nuit. They lower their shutters as soon as it starts to get dark. So she says, dès que je l'aperçois. Dès que je l'aperçois. Which means as soon as I catch sight of him, or as soon as I glimpse him. The verb apercevoir means to catch sight of, or to glimpse, or to notice. We get the word perceive from it. Apercevoir. In the past tense, the past participle is aperçu. For example, j'ai aperçu Sandrine. J'ai aperçu Sandrine. I caught sight of Sandrine. In the present tense, it's conjugated like this. J'aperçois, j'aperçois, I notice. Tu aperçois, tu aperçois, you notice. Il aperçoit, he notices. Elle aperçoit, she notices. Nous apercevons, we notice. Vous apercevez, you notice. Ils aperçoivent, they notice. So she says, et dès que je l'aperçois, alors je sens en moi. And as soon as I notice him, I feel in myself. The word alors is used a lot in French as a way of saying well, as an interjection. Alors, je sens en moi. Well, I feel in myself. Si tu sais conduire, alors tu peux prendre la voiture. Si tu sais conduire, alors tu peux prendre la voiture. If you can drive, well, you can take the car. Alors, raconte ce qui s'est passé. Alors, raconte ce qui s'est passé. Well, tell me what happened. Alors, ton nouveau voisin, il est comment? Alors, ton nouveau voisin, il est comment? Well, your new neighbor, what's he like? You can say, et alors? Et alors? In French, to say, so what? Et alors? Je sens comes from the verb sentir, which means to feel. You conjugate it, je sens, which means I feel. Tu sens means you feel. Il sent means he feels. Elle sent, she feels. Nous sentons, we feel. Vous sentez, you feel. And ils sentent, they feel. The past participle of the verb sentir is senti. So you would say, j'ai senti, which means I felt. You can use the verb sentir to mean to feel in the sense of feeling something physically or something separate from you. Il a senti sa main sur son épaule. Il a senti sa main sur son épaule. He felt her hand on his shoulder. However, if you want to say how you're feeling, you can make the verb reflexive and say things like, je me sens bien. I feel fine. Comment te sens-tu? How do you feel? Je me sens ballonné. I feel bloated. So, et dès que je l'aperçois, as soon as I notice him, alors je sens en moi, I feel in myself, mon cœur qui bat, my heart which is beating. So the verb bat comes from battre. Battre means to beat. We get the word batter from this verb. Battez la farine, les œufs et le sucre. Battez la farine, les œufs et le sucre. Beat the flour, the eggs and the sugar. Il a battu son adversaire. He beat his opponent. Le cœur n'arrête jamais de battre. The heart never stops beating. It's a fairly regular verb. The past participle is battu, which means beaten. And in the present tense, you get je bats, I beat. Tu bats, you beat. Il bat, he beats. Elle bat, she beats. Nous battons, we beat. Vous battez, you beat, and ils battent. Ils battent. They beat. So that's the song La vie en rose. Des yeux qui font baisser les miens, eyes that make me lower mine, un rire qui se perd sur sa bouche, a laugh that is lost on his lips. Voilà le portrait sans retouche. Here is the embellished portrait de l'homme auquel j'appartiens, of the man to whom I belong. Quand il me prend dans ses bras, il me parle tout bas, je vois la vie en rose. When he takes me in his arms, he speaks to me in a whisper. I see life in pink. Il me dit des mots d'amour, des mots de tous les jours, et ça me fait quelque chose. He tells me loving words, everyday words, and it does something to me. Il est entré dans mon cœur une part de bonheur dont je connais la cause. He has entered my heart, a piece of happiness that I know the cause of. C'est lui pour moi, moi pour lui dans la vie. Il me l'a dit, l'a juré pour la vie. It's him for me for him in life. He told me that, he swore it for life. Et dès que je l'aperçois, alors je sens en moi mon cœur qui bat. And as soon as I notice him, well, I feel inside myself my heart beating.